My name is Kassandra Estrada. I'm a pharmacy student at UMKC. I'm currently doing my ambulatory care rotation at St. Luke's. There is patient interaction. We get to look at their meds, make sure everything looks good. And then when we get to see the patient, we get to talk to them and ask questions.
We feel that it's important for pharmacy students to work with medical students and other healthcare professionals in providing collaborative care for our patients.
They're very aware and inclusive of us during the conversations, so we never feel like we're left out. Being in Kansas City provides kind of a direct access to different types of rotations. It makes you realize what type of different pharmacy careers that could be out there.
UMKC has a lot of advantages in giving our students very practical experience in a wide mix of opportunities in different areas of practice, from hospital to community to where I practice in a clinic in an ambulatory care setting.
I love our faculty at UMKC. I think that's one of the biggest things that I love about UMKC is that you are connected to a faculty once you're admitted to pharmacy school. So you're set up with an advisor, and that advisor is there with you until you graduate. I plan to work community pharmacy in Kansas City. I've grown up here all my life, and it's kind of what I know best. I'm excited for when I'm able to graduate to provide back to the people who have helped me get here.